If you are looking for a laptop that will withstand whatever you throw at it or spill on it, then look no further. Whether you're a digital nomad, building manager, or outdoor enthusiast, you know how rough the conditions can be where you tread. As a result, it is essential that your laptop can withstand the perils of Mother Nature and whatever she throws at it. Hi, I'm John. Today we are looking at the Acer Enduro Series Urban N3 and why it is an essential piece of equipment ready for your next adventure or site visit. The slender and durable build is designed to be taken anywhere, literally, from a dusty worksite to a rainy campsite. The Enduro N3 is the perfect companion for all your adventures. Whether you're on the go, at home, or in the wilderness, the Enduro N3 has you covered. This durable laptop features reinforced four-corner protection and has been tested to meet military standard certifications to stand up to nearly anything you throw at it. Wherever you may be, you can have the peace of mind that your laptop will handle it rain, hail, or shine. The waterproof design of its ports, speakers, and buttons lets you take this laptop anywhere without having to worry about the weather. In addition to its waterproof fan and unique drainage design, its IP53 certification guarantees this laptop to be dust and water resistant. Keeping your device clean is vital while you're out in the elements. The antimicrobial Corning Gorilla Glass keeps your device's display clean when you're on the move. In contrast, the rest of the device features an ionic silver coating to provide antimicrobial coverage for the chassis, touchpad, and buttons. Downloading your footage and data is made easy with the robust performance of the Urban N3. The impressive performance gives you the power to handle whatever tasks you throw at it, downloading your footage or creating amazing visuals you witness in the great outdoors. If you are looking for a tough, durable laptop that can accompany you out in the harsh elements, the Enduro Urban N3 series is the laptop you need. If you have any questions about the Enduro N3 series, please reach out to us via the details in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is John with the review of the Enduro Urban N3.